Are you a student of English literature having a tough time with your syllabus? Do you love English literature and want to explore even more? Do you need to get a little more grip on the language? Or is it just a few scoring tips and technical know-how that matter to you? I explain complex theories and topics from your syllabus in easy, everyday language. You also get written answers, study materials, articles to help you score much better in your exams. I will cover the topics of all major boards and universities as well as competitive exams. If you are from any other part of the world, do tell me about your syllabus so that I can help you out. I have experience in teaching, evaluation and question paper setting of universities, colleges and schools since 2005. I understand the worries you have, the problems you face. I am happy to help. Subscribe to my channel and give me your feedback to show support. This is Monami Mukherjee. Welcome to NibblePop.